Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, so I want to make a small video talking about seven roots of primitive, seven roots of unity. So seven roots of unity. So basically, we're gonna to try to write down the expression of exponential 2 pi I divided by 7. So let's say this is x. So our goal is to find, our goal is to write wherever we can, right? And this x cannot be solved, right, easily, but we try to write x as possible, right? And try to write x as as we can. Okay, so now okay, so hopefully it's not difficult for you. So basically we know that x7 is 1, right? So we can write x minus 1, x6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we know that we don't have this, right? So we must have this. Oh, so this give us that we can solve this, right? In order to solve this, right, the standard way is that we write this. It's a little bit amazing, but you can write it as this. Okay, so this is just divided by x to the cube. Okay, and this one you can write x plus x. Let's say you let x plus 1 over x to be t. Okay, so now this equation has some beautiful results. It's basically t cubed. Let's do some simple calculation. So we get t squared equals to x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. And let's say we go to t cubed. T cubed, we have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3x plus 1 over x. So this is x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3t. So we got t cubed plus minus 3t plus t squared minus 2 plus t plus 1. Okay, so we have t cubed minus 2t, sorry, t cubed plus t squared plus t squared minus 2t minus 1 is 0. Okay, plus 1. Sorry, minus 1. Minus 1. It should be minus 1 because we got, oh, right, yeah, it should be minus 1. Okay, so we have t cubed plus t squared minus 2t minus 1, which is 0. Okay, so now right, so that's if we denote the roots of it to be r, right? So say the real roots. You can check the root. Let's say this is there. Let's find a positive roots. Okay, so should be some positive roots. Yes, you can check by right, because there's a, let's see. So when you put t equals to 0, yeah, you get minus 1, right? So by the continuity, that when t equals 0 is minus 1, t infinity is infinity, right? So there must be some points that in the middle. So there should be positive roots. Okay, so that we have t equals to x plus 1 over x. So we get x squared plus t plus 1 equals to tx. Okay, so x squared minus tx plus 1 is 0. So we have x equals to t plus or minus t squared minus divided by 4 divided by 2. Okay, so let's denote r plus r and the plus or minus. And this is r squared divided by 4 minus 1. Okay, and you can check that this r should be less than 1, right? So this guy should be written as I divided by 2. Right, so it should be I can, let's say I take out I and I get 1 minus r squared divided by 4. Yeah. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, so basically, the way one can represent the roots of unity for these seven roots. By the way, you can check should be plus, right? Because now it should be here, right? So the answer must be r divided by 2 plus I times 1 minus r squared divided by 4, where r is the cubic roots of this equation. Okay, see you guys next video.